basics of cloud computing and different types of cloud and all. Any problem? Sure. How many of you are coming for the very first time? So let's start with cloud center. What is simulation? How many of you think that? What is simulation? Anyone? Simulation. बोल दे यार, YouTube पे भी डलेगा. Simulation. No idea. What do you mean by simulation? See, simulation means now if you have to create something, you want to develop your own house. So instead of constructing your own house, there are softwares if you have seen for mapping it off. मैप बनाते हैं जैसे पहले के ज़माने में कैसे मैप बनाते थे? एक पेपर पे मैप बनाते थे. Now we develop a model of a house and we can even walk that how this model will work, how this house will look like. We can exactly feel that house. So instead of developing that house, we want to see that when I am walking in the house, कि मेरे हाथ से टकरा के गिलास गिरेगा तो नहीं, तो मैं पहले फील कर देता हूँ. तो मैं इस टेबल को यहाँ नहीं रखूँगा, इसका मतलब कहीं और रखूँ. यानी उस गिलास की भी खर्च मेरा बच जाए. So similarly for computers, we make a model and then simulate it. Simulate means we want to see how this model will run. So simulation is creating a dummy of something and running that dummy to see the results. What will be the actual results if we actually create that model? Now you know that cloud computing is a collection of resources. इतना तो सबको पता है. Cloud computing, we are making a huge collection of resources, and those resources, that collection of resources involve a large amount of money, a large amount of cost. So a software is required where we can, instead of creating the cloud, where we can simulate the exact atmosphere and see what will be the results. Clear? So what is simulation? As per the definition which we have given, without creating an actual structure, we see the results by modeling a dummy structure having the same parameters. This dummy structure is also having the same parameters. So this is the beauty of simulation. Now why this simulation is required in cloud computing? Why it is required? Cloud computing requires a large amount of infrastructure. Huge amount of money is required for it. For large amount of infrastructure, we require large amount of money. Second point, to know the feasibility of cloud for a particular application, we simulate it. Now, for example, I say that I have a class of 10 students, and for this class of 10 students, I want to maintain a record. So, one way is I can maintain a record in Excel. I can maintain a record in some SQL, in some Oracle or something like that. And second way is I say that for maintaining the record of these 10 students, I use a cloud service of some company, XYZ company. To maintain the record, I use the cloud service of some company. Now, at the end of the day, by the end of 4 months, 5 months, or by the end of 1 month, I realized that instead of using this cloud services, the matter was much cheaper when I was using an Excel. It was much cheaper and much more convenient. But I have wasted 4 months and I have wasted so much amount of money. So instead of doing all this thing, for a particular application, I want to see whether cloud computing would be feasible or not. Feasible in terms of money, feasible in terms of time, feasible in terms of security. So to know this thing, instead of developing the cloud, instead of hosting my application on some other server, I will simulate it. So for it, we require some simulation software.
इसमें
पानी की क्लास के बाद